While loop repeats the code while its condition is true. And it consists of a while, parentheses and a condition, and curly brackets, with codes that will run on a loop till this condition is false. With this example, while the tuition fee is greater than 0, it will continue to ask for your payment. And when fully paid, it will exit the while loop and displays your tuition fee is now fully paid. So how does this work exactly? First, we initialize the tuition fee to have a value of 5,000. Next, we ask if our tuition fee is greater than 0. If it is, then we enter the loop. Inside the loop, we get the payment from the user, and subtract it to the tuition fee. And this condition and codes inside these curly brackets would repeat again and again, until this tuition fee reaches 0 or negative. You can also use keywords to make this loop more interesting. You can use the continue keyword to skip the rest of the codes. With this condition, first, we ask if the payment is less than or equals to 0. And if it is, we will skip the rest of the codes below to avoid getting 0 or negative payments from the user. Another thing is the break keyword to stop the loop immediately. We can ask if the user's payment is greater than the tuition fee. Then if it's true, we will stop and exit the loop. But displaying nothing is kind of awkward, so we can display the user's change instead. For more information about while loops, and all kinds of loops, you can go to this Microsoft's documentation. You can also watch the previous video of how to make an array if you haven't. Or, stay tuned for loops in the next video. As always, all codes and links are available in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Happy coding everyone.